Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn $30 in minutes with Fiverr. Guys, I'm so happy that you're here to see this video because you're really going to love it. It is a way that you're going to be making money online over and over and over. You're going to be able to make $30 over and over and over with such little work. It's going to be a free way of making money. It's worldwide. It's super easy. You need no experience, and I'm going to teach you a free version to be able to get this accomplished within minutes. It's going to be so easy and fun. You guys are really going to love this video. If you do love this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I know I'm getting a bunch of views, guys, and I don't have as many subscribers as I do views, so I really appreciate it if you make sure to subscribe to this channel. It's going to blow up. Don't miss out. Um, don't forget to hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. I am working extra hard lately to try and get at least 3 to 5 videos up a week. So I'm going to be giving you tons of valuable advice. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button. You don't want to miss out on some of these videos. You're going to be able to earn lots of money online, and it's going to be easy. You aren't going to need a lot of experience, and I've been really looking all over for worldwide models because I really want to see you guys do well. I want to see you be able to make money. I want to see you quit your full-time jobs. So make sure you subscribe. Um, Guys, if you are looking to really quit your 9 to 5 and earn a full-time income online, you're sick of your boss, you're tired of getting up in the morning, you want to make your own hours, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the first link in the description below. So as promised, guys, I'm going to teach you how to earn some money on Fiverr. So we're going to pop over to fiverr.com, which, here, let me get there, is a freelancer site. You're probably like, what the heck is that? So this is a site where people are doing jobs and they're freelancing them out, like logo design, articles and blog posts, voiceovers. You can do translations if you have if you're fluent in multiple languages. They also have like graphic design, they have social media manager. So there's a little something for everybody. But for today's purposes, we are going to check out like business card designs, because what you're going to do is you're going to go, you're going to make your free account, you're going to set up your profile, and boom, you're literally halfway there. It's making money online. So for today, we are going to focus on business cards. Now, everybody who starts a business likes to have business cards. So where are we going to get these business cards? You go over to Fiverr.com. Now, these people here are making business cards, and they're getting jobs, and then they're making them for the folks that want them to do them. And as promised, I told you you can make $30 on Fiverr. As you can see, these folks are making $30, they're making $10, they're charging $40. I've even seen a few people on here charging $100, $115. So that's the wonderful thing about Fiverr is you're able to make your own hours, you're able to pick your own jobs, and you're able to do this when you want, how you want, and at the price that you want. So let's take a look at a couple of these. I've already poked through here a little bit, and I found that I really like this guy's profile. It's guy, right? Yes. All right. So he is charging $30 for 2 concepts, print ready and double-sided. So this is the basic model. Guys, always have an upsell. I told you you can make $30. You can make well over $30. But like I said, for today's purposes, we're going to talk about the $30 plan. Uh, so what he offers is 3 days delivery, 2 concepts, print ready, and a source file. Now he gives his specifics, how to create the order. You just process it. You want to fill the requirements section, and then he will get started and deliver the completed work. Now, like I said before, you're always going to want to have an upsell option. Like his basic plan is $30, but should someone want this in a speedy delivery, say 1 day, his basic package upsells up to $45, which is more than $30 on Fiverr, which is crazy, guys. It's easy to do. And you're going, I don't know anything about making business cards. I don't know anything about logo design. A lot of these folks are already going to have a pre-made logo, which if you stay for the rest of the video, I will show you a free way of doing this, and you don't need to know anything about making business cards. So this is what it looks like. This is his Fiverr profile about his gig. He puts a picture up of himself. So make sure you complete all of this when you get started on Fiverr. So say you get a job and you've charged them $30. They have given you their logo, and now you're going, what do I do now? Well, we're going to go over to a free site called Canva. Obviously, you can pay for Canva. I personally never have. I use Canva every single time that I upload a video because I use them for my thumbnails. And I use Canva because they're free and it is ridiculously easy to use. You really can't mess Canva up. So if you haven't checked Canva out yet before, guys, definitely check them out. I highly recommend this site, and I use them all the time. I've never actually paid for them. I've never had a reason to because they offer so much in their free plan. So once you get over to Canva, you're going to look on the left-hand side. You're going to make yourself your profile. You're going to sign in. You're going to make your account, and it'll look something like this. You're going to scroll all the way down. Sorry about that, guys. Usually I do this during nap time. You're going to scroll all the way down to templates, and you're going to click right on that. So they have templates for just about everything. They have templates for logos, presentation, flyers, cards, infographic, business card, posters, and the list goes on and on and on. As you can see, I can go on for a while. And they have templates for everything. But right now, we are going to be working specifically on business cards. So you're going to click on that. Now, with the business cards, they give you a bunch of options. So you can do photography, yoga, web designers, they have hair salons, lawyers, and like I said, guys, you're really going to love Canva because they have something for everybody. So say that we have someone and they are looking for, we'll say fitness. Fitness always seems to be the theme around our videos. And these are all of the templates that you can use. Now they have a boatload of templates. If you found something you didn't like, you can always scroll through. They do have paid templates. I don't really want to put any more money into it. I want to walk away with everything that I've gotten. So we're just going to grab a quick template right now. Here we go. We'll just do this muscle guy right here. Now you double click on it and you're going to use this template. So now once you found your template, it's really going to be easy. You're going to be able to, start over. This is the first part and then this is the other side. So once you found your template, you can change any portion of the template. You just enter your text. So we're going to do digital mentor, personal trainer and therapist, and then you're going to scroll down and all you need to do is you need to throw in their mobile number, their address, their email, as well as their website, and this card is pretty much done. Now if they already have a logo, you can go to uploads and you simply just hit upload image once they've sent it to you and you've saved it to your computer, and you're able to literally like drag and drop it over to whatever you'd like it to be. So once you hit uploads, you're gonna upload it and it will pop up right over here, and you just take it and you put it right over and you're able to resize it to the way that you like it to look. So it's super easy, it's simple, and that's it. That's literally it. There's not much to it. There's not a lot of guesswork. There's not a lot of what do I do? Where do I come up with the designs? What do I do with the color? Which is another thing I wanted to show you really quick. You can throw in different elements of it. You can throw in different photos for it. You can do the text. You can change the background color. You can change it to different colors. So a lot of times people are going to give you their color scheme. Like obviously we are black and red right now. So if they want a different color to it, you can change text design, you can change it to landscapes, you can literally change it to whatever you want to change it to. And like I said, there's going to be other paid versions. I like this texture. This is really pretty. This is free. Now you're going to know it's free because it says it's free right here. So it's that simple, guys, and poof, your business card's done. It's ready to send to the folks that asked you to do it for them. So you can change it into anything. Obviously, that doesn't look right, but you guys get my draft here. I'll change it back to white. So it's that easy. It's simple and it's free. You can always pay for Canva. I think it's like $119 a year. I've never actually had to pay for it because the free options are just so awesome. So it's easy, it's simple, you need no experience, and you can make this $30 over and over and over and over. The one thing that I do want to tell you about Fiverr is this is a self-promotion type of freelancing job. So you're going to have to promote yourself. And my advice on promoting yourself and your Fiverr account is go on Facebook, share it with your friends and family, get yourself your reviews. So the guy that we looked at has a 4.9 stars, which is crazy. And he has, hold on one second, he has 260 reviews, which, I mean, if you do the math, 260 reviews at $30, he's making some really crazy money. So let's just pop over here. If every one of his reviews bought, say, the $30 plan, he has made a crazy amount of money on Fiverr. He's made $7,800, and that's with no upsells, not all 3-day delivery, basic plans, and he gets to do this from home. So you're able to make a lot of money, but you need to be able to promote yourself. I would definitely find my go on Facebook, make a business account there. Get into Facebook groups that are similar around the niche that you are doing your Fiverr account on. And hey, you want to know a good place that you can get business cards made, and then drop your link there and see if you can drive some traffic from there. But guys, it's as easy as that. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, you found it helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. I see you guys watching and not subscribing. Subscribe, please. Make sure you hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. But if you're really, really set on quitting your 9-to-5 job, you want to be able to work from home, you want to see your kids grow up, you're tired of your boss, you don't like being told what to do, and you want to be able to do this from your own home and make the money online, check out my #1 recommendation. Take action, guys. You can do this. I know you can. Just click the link. It's the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.